Cook nga po pala tayo for today now. Siyempre, dito na tayo. Yari na ako. Para lang to sa aking Mother Earth. Siyempre. Kasi yung luto namin, palate na lang daw matchbus. Palate na lang daw marag. And then now, I will make some of her love. Gusto niya daw yung iba naman. Sabi niya. Kaya I make something for her. Diba? I make something for her. And then now, I will make something for her. Yan. Halika na. Put on your lips. Nagulo no. Ito busay.